Well, I grew up in Cookeville. My parents, we had season tickets to the basketball games, so I grew up going to basketball games. And as a weird little dorky kid, I didn't really care about the basketball game as much, and so I would watch Awesome Eagle. And eventually, it just everything kind of fell into place, and I decided that I wanted to be a mascot. And so I reached out, and because I heard like some schools you can get a big scholarship, and so I reached out. Well, I went on a tour with Jim Gray in the admissions office, and he took me around, and he set up a meeting with, at the time, Robin Burrows, the cheer coach, and I had a meeting with her, and it kind of fell into place, and there were 4 people on the mascot team the first year, and we really started to grow this thing. It was like a perfect storm of everything coming together, and so we all kind of built this team of mascots, and so that's why I went to Tech, basically, is Awesome Eagle, and there is no big scholarship, just so everyone knows. Well, I mean, it's just fun how poetic life is sometimes. Like Jim Gray gave me my tour around Tennessee Tech, and it's just like a book, because he's just such a fun man and such a studious and always has his shoulders back and everything. And he gave me a tour, and I really fell in love with Tech, because growing up in Cookeville, it was always, yeah, Tech is there, and I looked at other schools and everything. But when I won tour with Jim Gray, and he's the reason I came to Tech. And then as I was leaving my last class, that I was walking on Harrison Hall my senior year, I was walking out, and I see him, I'm getting children now, I saw him walking, giving a tour to somebody else. And so that's how poetic life is sometimes, because the cycle continues.
Yeah.
I've grown up a lot more since I've left Tech, but I learned how to make mistakes. Some of the best professors I had let me make mistakes, and that's what I'm most thankful for.